Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the driver's seat. You may need to tilt the seat forward to do this. Step 2. Place the cover over the seat backrest with the front side facing forward and pull it downwards like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. At the top of the cover, locate the holes for the headrest. Tuck the headrest's plastic housing through these holes to keep them properly aligned. Step 4. Push the foam pocket at the bottom of the cover into the gap between the seat backrest and the seat base. This helps secure the cover in place. Step 5. Pull the cover down over the seat base, making sure it fits smoothly across the seat. Step 6. At the sides of the seat base, locate the foam stitched into the cover. Tuck this foam into the plastic housing on the sides of the seat to hold the cover position. Step 7. At the front of the seat base, locate the 2 Velcro strips. Loop each strip around the pole under the seat and attach them back onto themselves for a secure hold. Step 8. Adjust the seat forward and reattach the seat's headrest. Then slip the headrest cover over the headrest like a sock, ensuring the cover stays in place. Step 9. Undo the Velcro of the armrest cover. Slide the armrest cover on, similar to how you would a sock, and secure the Velcro back in place. Step 1. Start by removing both headrests from the passenger seats. Step 2. Undo the zip on the double seat cover. Once open, slide the cover over and behind the seat backrest with the zip at the front. From the sides, pull the cover down. Step 3. At the top of the seat, align the headrest holes in the cover with the plastic headrest mounts on the seat to ensure proper fitting. Tuck the plastic through these holes. Step 4. Now the cover is in position to redo the zip or Velcro behind the seat belt, like putting on a jacket. This will secure the cover in place. Step 5. Lift the door side base up. Then tuck the foam pocket at the bottom of the cover into the gap between the seat and the metal bar. Step 6. The base covers are labeled for the driver's side and for the passenger side. Step 7. To attach the base covers, start at the back of the seat base. Slide the thin part of the seat base into the pocket of the cover, keeping the elastic strap under the seat base. Step 8. Next, fold the inside edge of the cover over the inside seat cushion corner, followed by the outside edge corner, ensuring a snug fit that matched the seams and shape of the seat. Repeat this for both base cushions. Step 9. Reattach the headrests to the seats. Once back on the seats, slip the headrest covers over the headrests like putting on a sock and adjust for a smooth fit.